Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Sorry if it's not showing my webcam thing, but fine. Today I'm going to be a policeman and I'm going to show you how to get on the train. You can be a prisoner on my own today. I'm going to show you to get onto the train with your bike, but because I'm not playing with anyone else to show you, just because it can get a bit glitchy when doing this. So, just want to grab a helicopter, just go, take this route, sort of the road up here, till you get to here. I'm just going to dump my helicopter. Actually, should we test it quickly? I want to see how high the helicopter can fly. Suspension to be able to get up the hill, because you're going to have to go up a hill and use our suspension to do that. And that'll be a criminal and show you. You can't change that key card, so you could keep dying over and over and over and over and over and over, and then you put your load safe. And then it says, so if you come up here, then up, sort of up here-ish, up there, up here-ish. I need high suspension to be able to do that. See? There might be another way up where you can do it with low suspension. High suspension equals 2,100. I'm going to save up. Please leave in the comments if you want me to save up for a bigger and better engine on this quad bike, or save up for the motorbike, so I can show you a few videos on the motorbike. The thing that's cool about this is you could get nearly over anything, any terrain, not any terrain, but most terrains. So then normally car wouldn't be able to get up there, there's that a good speed, but normally even with high suspension doesn't do it. Look, go up here, I bet you can we get up here. Well, it's gone, but it's going to take another 5 minutes to get up here, isn't it? Well, I'll show you. Okay. What you want to do is you're going to jump from there onto the train when it comes through. It depends how good you are playing the game. It really does. How good you are at driving these things. They are hard to drive. Especially depending on the terrain. It comes. There it is. I've got a red card as well. And I'll show you a little trick as well. Another little trick. If you're a policeman and you like to catch criminals, is you don't need to get the motorbike on the train, but yeah. One thing is, never land on an oil wagon. The black and like the round things. It never works. Even if you try it, even if you had good grip on it, it would never. It took me ages to get up there. So I'm actually going to skip the video until I'm up there, and then I'll be back to you in a minute. Bye. I finally did it, but I got killed. I kind of fell off too early and it did kill me. I'm going to show you another. For the moment, I'm actually going to play a different game, so I'll be back in a minute when I'm on a different game. Bye. Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm just in this game. I don't actually know what game it is. Bye, man.
Luke?
Yeah.
Are we going to watch it then?
Yes.